Hi friends, thanks for joining us and welcome to this new video of Easy English Jabalpur channel. Today I am going to talk something about legal field. In this video I am going to tell you something about advocate and lawyer. They both are same terms and used in legal field, but they have some differences as well. So let's find out what are the differences between the term an advocate and lawyer. An advocate is a person who has got legal degree, plus he has also passed out state bar council exam of court. But lawyer is a person who has only cleared bachelor's degree of law. An advocate is responsible to represent or fight a case for his client in court, whereas lawyer is a person to help out his client in legal matters. An advocate is a highly experienced person who can try his utmost to get better verdict for his client, whereas lawyer is a person who is responsible for representing his client's documents or preparing his client's documents in the court or help him out to file a case. Last differences between advocate and lawyer is that an advocate is a person who is highly responsible and highly skilled, so he charges high amount of fees from his client to fight a case in court, whereas lawyer is a person who charges less to prepare legal documents for his case in court. So friends, I hope you have got the differences between an advocate and lawyer. Thank you for watching this video friends. Have a nice day.